know, you can do row, row, row your boat all by yourself or with a friend, a parent, a sibling. So I just attach this to a chair so that I can row, row, row my boat. But you could do it with a grown-up if you want. Let's all sing together. Row, row, row your boat. And I've added a few fun verses for us. 1, 2, ready, sing. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Row, row, row your boat gently to the shore. If you see a lion, don't forget to roar. Roar. Let's do one more. Row, row, row your boat gently in the bath. If you see a tall giraffe, don't forget to laugh. And let's go back to the beginning and sing the first verse one more time. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Great job, friends.